You know you can make $2,000 monthly as a Google Ad expert. And note, you don't need experience or you don't need to be an expert. I'll be sharing with you where you can learn and master these skills for free and even get certified. That's not all. I'll be sharing with you where you can find jobs and how you can land your first client. A lot of people are not be talking about this, and trust me, people are really making money from this internet. And please note, there is work required. Before I share anything on this community, I usually do my own proper research before I bring it to you guys. And please, after watching this video, go ahead and implement what you'll be learning from this video, because you're going to be learning these skills, you're going to be mastering it, you're going to be landing your first client, and you're going to be going out there searching for clients. So be ready to put in the work after watching the video. So I would love you to like this video. It's getting interested already. So I will take you to my screen right now, showing you all these steps. Okay guys, now just come here and search for Google Ad right now, and we have over 6,000 jobs right here. Okay, over 6,000 jobs right here. Guys, every resources I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to be linking them in the description of this video below, so you can go down there to access everything I'm going to be sharing in this video. Now, as you can see right here, we have over 6,200 jobs found. That means over 6,200 people are looking for Google Ad Manager, and this very person right here is looking for Google AdWords expert. Hourly pay is $10 to $35. Okay, just for hourly pay. Okay, posted 8 hours ago. This was posted 8 hours ago, and this very person is paying $10 to $35 for an hour, just for an hour. Okay, just scroll down. You're going to be seeing more people who are searching for Google Ad expert. This very person right here is a YouTube advertising campaign freelancer. He is looking for YouTube advertiser, which is also a Google Ad expert. Come down, you're going to be seeing many people right here. Google Ad scripting expert needed for a certain BD script. Scroll down, let's scroll down. We're going to be seeing right here, this is just 1 out of 10. If you go to next, you're going to be seeing more jobs. People are looking for them. This is one of the many places you can get jobs as a Google Ad expert. If you also come to Fiverr right now, you're going to be seeing that people also are offering this script. This person right here is offering a Google Ad Manager. Okay, I will set up and manage your Google AdWords, and it's starting for just $40. Okay, that means his pay is starting for $40, and he has over 64 reviews. This very person right here says, I will manage and optimize your Google Ad campaign. Okay, and his fee is starting for just $115. This is the minimum he's charging. That means this very person right here is charging more than this $115. Okay, this very person right here, I will set up and manage your Google Ad. Okay, a Google Ad campaign, and it has over 3,022 reviews, and it's charging from $175. These are more people who are offering these jobs. So the first thing to do is just to go to your browser. We are going to search Google Skill Shop right here. Google Skill Shop. Just search for Google Skill Shop. You're going to be landing this very page. So the first page you are going to be seeing, or the first website you're going to be seeing, that is the website you're going to be clicking on. So you're going to be clicking on this very website. We're going to be coming into the Google Shop. Now, if you come here right now, so you can see, say, master the Google tools. You use artwork with online training. Okay, develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning. With e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google certified. Now let's scroll down. As you can see here, explore Skill Shop, and this is Google Ads. This is Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy. Let's come down. I'm going to be seeing more. Google My Business, Google Ad Manager, Google Ad Mob. Okay, these are skills you can learn from this very place. Okay, as you can see, grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. Click on, and it's going to take us to a separate page. Now, if you are going to become here, these are the courses you are going to be learning. Now, one of the mind-blowing thing about this website is that you are learning this skill for free. They are not charging you any zero naira. And one of the best things is that you are learning directly from Google for education, Google marketing platform. Also, there are YouTube courses also. Okay, YouTube courses for managed music, enterprise media, and partnership. Do you know how much people are charging people to manage their YouTube channel? You don't have any idea. This is crazy, because if you learn and master these skills, you are going to be an hot cake in the market. These are different Google skills you can learn for free. So the next thing you have to do is to log in your account. If you have not logged in your account, you have to create an account with them, of which you are going to come over to this very login space. You are going to click on it. They are going to ask you to log in with your Gmail account. So once you come here, you are going to ask you which of the Gmail you are going to use to sign up. Once you click on sign up, they are going to be asking you to create your profile. All right, as you can see, create your profile. Benefit includes on-the-go learning for Google product certification to show your knowledge. That's very important, guys. Ability to share your Skillshop account information and achievement. So you are going to create your account right now. So they are going to ask you for your Gmail, which is already your first name, your last name, your country. You're going to put in your country. If you are from any other country, you put in your country. If you are from Nigeria, I'm going to click on Nigeria. From me, I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to click on Nigeria. Then they're going to ask you your company. You can choose to put your normal name, or you can choose to put a company name if you already have one. You can choose to connect your Google Ads account. If you don't have Google Ads account, you connect your Gmail address. Get email from Google, including performance suggestions. You can click on yes or no, whichever one you want to click. Okay, for me, I'll just click yes. Now they are going to ask you which product do you want to learn about. Number one, we want to learn about Google Ads. We want to master Google Ads, all right. Then number two, we want to learn about Google Ad Manager. Okay, how we can offer these skills as a service. Then we want to learn about YouTube also. Okay, we want to learn how we can manage YouTube accounts and everything about YouTube. So these are the three major skills we want to learn. So the next thing to do is just to come over here, click on your preferred language, then your time zone. Okay, if you live in Nigeria, our time zone is GMT plus 1. Okay, as you can see, GMT plus 1. So the next thing to do is to click on continue, and your account is going to be created. Okay, you're going to be agreeing to these terms. Okay, so guys, our account is already created. All right, it's a welcome to SkinShop. This is the one-stop shop for every kind of learner who want to succeed online. So this is just go through this very place, home page and all of that. So we just come here and we can just click on the Google Ads we want to learn. So if you come here, we can just choose one anyone we want to learn. Okay, let's say we want to learn about Google Ads certification. We click on it, it's going to take us to the Google Ads page. Now, as you can see, these are the courses and these are the modules. Now, AI Power Performance Ads certification. Okay, if you click on this very course right here, you are going to be exploring the course. Now, we're going to be landing this very place. Okay, as you can see, AI Power Performance certification. Let's scroll down. You're going to be seeing that this is the briefing of the course. Okay, they are going to brief you on what you are going to get in the course and everything you need to get started. Just click on get started. You are going to be accessing each and every of this course. As you can see, study Google Ads AI powered performance ad. Let's scroll down. You're going to be seeing this is 20 minutes, this is 15 minutes, 12 minutes. Okay, win the feature with Google Ad A1. And these are video courses right here. If you're able to go through all these courses right here, you are done with the module 1. If you come over to the second one, just click on the second course right here. You are going to go to the second course. Now, this is the work required. Okay, you have to sit down and study this course and master this course and implement it, and you become a Google Ads expert, guys. Okay, now this is how you can explore the course, and this is how you can go through the course. And once you are done with the course, you'll be given a little exam of which you are going to go through. Once you pass the exam, you're going to be given your Google certificate. Now, with that certificate, you are qualified to work anywhere. You are qualified to work for any company. You are qualified to work for any individual. Now, these are numbers of where you can make money from this very skill. Number one is by offering your jobs on Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and people per hour. These are freelancing platforms. You can go ahead and offer these skills and you're going to be getting paid. Right now, if you come to Upwork right now, just create an account with them. Okay. If you don't know how to create an Upwork account, just stay subscribed to this channel because I'm going to be releasing videos on how you can create and optimize a professional Upwork account. So you just come here, you click on sign up. Then once you sign up right now, you are going to optimize your bio, optimize it by uploading a professional profile picture, and also optimizing it by using keywords about what you do. Okay, if you are a Google Ad expert or a Google Ad manager, you want to optimize your profile to look professional as a Google Ad expert. So once you have done that, you will have your certification, which is your Google certification you're going to get from your skills. Then you bring it here and you're going to upload it on your profile to boost your professionalism. So once you have done that, you can easily just come ahead, you come here, you search for jobs, you can bid for any of these jobs. Okay, now you can bid for as many jobs as you can. You can bid for 1,000 jobs out of these 6,000 right here. You can bid for 2,000 jobs, you can bid for 3,000 jobs, you can bid for 10 jobs, 100 jobs. Okay, and no matter what, if you bid for 100, 200 jobs every single day, you are going to be landing at least 1 to 3 clients every single day. Okay, depending on how you can work. And this is not depending on how many clients you can get. This is depending on how many clients you can handle. If you can handle 10 clients, you are going to bid for as many clients as possible. Now, if you come to Fiverr also, these are same thing you can do on Fiverr. Okay, you come here, you create an account, and for the record, me, I have an account of Fiverr. I'm also a freelancer on Fiverr, and I'm making money from this platform by offering what I do best. Okay, once you come here, you create an account also, you optimize your profile, and you rank your gig to the first page. If you're able to rank your gig to this very first page, you are going to be getting clients every day reaching out to you that they want to give you job. Okay, just know how you can rank your gig on Fiverr and how you can optimize your profile. If you want to know how you can rank your gig on Fiverr Also stay subscribed on this channel because I'm going to be dropping a video around that very soon. So guys, this is how you can make money from freelancer. Number 2 ways to make money from this is by doing reach out. Okay, now you can create a brand around this very skills. Okay, create a brand around it. Look for a social media account and create a brand around it. Okay, if it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Okay, there are businesses in your area, there are schools, there are companies, there are hotels in your areas who need Google Ads to be able to expand their business. You can go up to them, you can even meet them physically or digitally, pitch your idea to them on how you can help them increase their reach, increase their customer base through Google Ads. If they see your offer, they are going to employ you. All right, you can also do reach out on Facebook and on Twitter. Okay, reach pieces. There are businesses on Facebook. There are business on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram who need your service. You can reach out to them. Once they perceive you as someone of value, if you are able to optimize your profile, they are going to consider what you're offering. So go to Facebook. They are clients on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Go over there. Okay, tell people what you do. Reach out to clients. Are going to be landing your first job. I won't be able to be doing all this in this video, showing you how you can reach out to clients, the message you can type, how you can create a gig on Fiverr, Upwork, and how you can reach out on Upwork, and how you can bid for project on Upwork. I won't be able to compare that on this video. I can just tell you what to do. If you want me to expand on that, you can let me know in the comment section by telling me what you want me to expand on. Okay, if you want me to expand on how you can create a rank or gig on Fiverr, let me know in the comment section. So this is how you can make money from this very skill. Okay, I've showed you how you can learn these skills for free. If you know you got value from this video, please do it to like this video and stay subscribed and turn on bell notification so that you'll be reminded when I drop the videos I mentioned earlier in this very content. So if you have any question for me, make sure you drop it in the comment section. And with this, you can make over $2,000 every single month just being a Google ad expert. So with that said, this is how you can make money from this very skill. Okay, so go ahead and implement whatever you learned in this video. All right, go and put in the work, implement it, and you're going to be seeing results for yourself. So I'll be sharing more strategies on how you can make money from this very skill. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel so that you can receive the notification wherever I drop it. And drop a like if you enjoyed this video so far. Now, if you want to learn new ways and more ways to make money for yourself, you will want to check this video right now showing on your screen.